You know it better than me. I don't need to say it, actually.
Run out of this villa. No, run out. Okay. Into the ocean. So actually, I'm interested in this conversation of sugar daddy.
What?
Huh? I want to move. Yes. We're conversing, Mr. Sadiq.
I don't think you
Mr.
should. Can I call you another name apart from your name?
Can you call me another name apart from what?
Your name.
Interest me. What name would that be?
You're meant to tell me. Or your friend will tell me. What?
Like a pet name, like a romantic pet name.
Mm-hmm.
Call
Yeah,
us sugar.
freaky. Can I call you freaky?
Sorry, which one are you talking to? You, who else is it talking?
Is it like I saw her reaction? Is it disgusting?
What?
Was it disgusting? Because I saw her reaction. She was like the face she gave actually.
Which of us, Lydia? I need to leave this place. So I don't like how they involve me. I don't like how they involve me.
What's inside the cup?
Hmm?
What are you thinking?
What's inside the cup? What's inside the cup? It's Long Island.
What? Can you come again?
It's a Long Island.
Oh.
Yeah. So, Mr. Sadiq, if that's all, this is.
That's not all to me actually. You haven't given me an answer yet.
What is the answer? You haven't even said anything yet. Question.
Rather than if I haven't said anything, like, just give me a space to shoot my shots.
You want to shoot your shot?
Yeah.
That's what you.
I like stop. I like stop blinding me with your beauty, you know?
What are you saying?
Like stop blinding me with your beauty.
I should stop what?
Stop blinding me with your beauty.
I should stop blending you with my bitches.
With your beauty.
See, yeah, like you're stressing me out.
I can pay for the stress. I don't mind.
I don't like need your money. What do you think this is?
Yeah, I know you don't need my money actually. But like I need something from you.
What do you need from me?
Fun.
Fun.
Yeah.
Do I look like I offer fun?
But you have fun actually. You always have fun. I'm even surprised you're not out. Like I thought you meant to be out by this time.
No, I'm at a villa plus it's Sunday.
Oh, that's calm.
Okay, so is that off?
What?
Is that like all? Like, are we done?
Do you want to hang up?
Do I want to hang out with you?
No, like I'm not done talking to you, or like just can't wait to have the call.
Okay, so like, it's like what do you want from me essentially?
What do I want from you?
Yeah.
I literally told you what I want from you.
I want to be your sugar mommy, and I've declined that.
I want to be. I can't call it a friend. I want to be more than a friend to you.
Hey, good.
Someone you could talk to in your bed.
That's really interesting.
Anyway.
Wow.
So, do you mind?
I mind.
What the fuck? So, like, I can't get any chance to reach to you. Is that what you mean?
What?
So, you literally not giving me any chance to get to you.
To get to me? Hey, good. Hey. Wow.
What's wrong?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
There's
I
no.
will see like I can see like I'm just making the smile on your face maybe. You're just blushing. It's not blushing.
Blush you me.
Uh-huh.
This is my normal face, so
I
I'm
don't
not.
think so. This is not what I see online. I see
Hey,
more cuter face online.
what?
Never mind.
Hey, guys. Anyway, Sadiq,
Mm-hmm.
thank you so much for calling me. It has been actually very, fun. You know, so much fun. Wow.
Well, you haven't made
And
my day yet.
what?
You haven't made my day yet.
I haven't what?
You haven't made my day yet. Hello?
I don't
Yeah.
think. I don't think that is my responsibility to make your day.
Well, like, you're a lady, so I think it's yours to me, sure. Hello?
I just really, like, I like the confidence. That's the truth of the matter. However, this is where it will end.
Oh, oh, my regards to your friend, actually.
I will tell my friend that you sent your regards.
Oh, I should send it. I think I should more send it to her. Ask her, can I send it privately to her?
You can send. You can. I don't know what you want to send. But anyways, Sadiq, good night.
Sure, safe.
Yes, please. Can you do your favor? Yeah, thank you. As I was say, can you do me a favor? Anyways, that was a very interesting one. I did not know what he was talking about. Neither do I care.